This is Lynwood Shakur. Like the video, share the video, subscribe. Here we go, waiting for media attention from either states, New Jersey, Nevada, or Virginia. I'm still getting respect as an amateur uncut on YouTube with my own sneakers. It's swinging one way, the marriage certificate from somewhere, and Mike can get great, getting traced to Virginia Commonwealth University and Richmond Technical Center. It is swinging the last way. There's a Jerry Wheel from somewhere. Paul connect all the sick things happening from his Pepperdine University. The sneakers are urban fit gear. They're great for city gyms like Core 10. And it ain't even great to wear jerseys to see a Texas A&M game. All in all, thank you, YouTube family.